Men begin to miss you more when you remember these 4 things. Psychology talks about a certain quiet, a specific late-night hour when even the strongest men feel an odd ache in their chest. They reach for their phone. They scroll through contacts, then pause when they see your name. Yet they don't always send a message. They just look and think. Why does this happen? Because missing someone is not really about distance. It's about the emotional echo they leave behind. Psychology is clear on this. We don't miss people themselves. We miss how they made us feel. So, if you've ever wondered why a man suddenly starts missing you after weeks, months, or even years, it's not coincidence. It's because you touched a part of him that very few ever reach. But here's the truth. Not every woman leaves that kind of mark. Not every presence turns into a memory that visits him in his quiet moments. So what creates the difference? What makes him think of you when the night feels endless? What makes him ask himself, did I let something rare slip away? The answer lives in 4 psychological truths. Simple ideas, yet powerful enough to etch your name into his mind long after you're gone. Not through games, not through manipulation, but through energy, behavior, and choices that speak louder than words. So stay with me. Let this unfold slowly. Because what you're about to hear isn't only about men, it's about human nature. 1. He misses you when your presence felt like peace, not pressure. Let's start with peace. We live in a world addicted to noise. Expectations, judgments, competition everywhere. Every man, no matter how confident he appears, carries silent battles. Pressure to succeed, fear of failure, the heavy responsibility of always being strong. And many relationships unknowingly add to that weight. Demands, criticism, drama. Until one day he meets someone different. Someone whose presence doesn't suffocate, but calms. Someone who doesn't try to fix him, control him, or compare him. Someone who simply exists like a safe place. If you were that woman, if with you he could breathe freely, laugh without pretending, and share without fear of judgment, you became his rare refuge. And here's the thing about rare refuges. Once they're gone, the world feels colder. Psychology calls this emotional association. We don't remember exact words, we remember feelings. If you were peace inside his chaos, he will search for that peace in 100 faces and never find it. And when failure meets memory, longing is born. So the first truth is this. Be the woman whose silence feels gentle, whose presence feels like home, whose love heals instead of hurting. Because when that disappears, he notices. He really notices. Real life scene number 1. It's Friday night. He's in a packed bar with friends. Everyone's laughing. Music is loud. But inside he feels empty. Because noise is not connection. And suddenly he remembers you. A quiet evening. Sitting together. No filters. No performance. Just presence. And he thinks, why did I let that go? That thought is where missing you begins. 2. He misses you when you offered space, not chains. Now let's talk about freedom. Something men rarely confess they need, yet deeply crave. Many believe love means constant closeness, all-day texting, endless updates, no boundaries. But closeness without space becomes suffocation. And suffocation creates resentment, not love. Psychology calls this reactance theory. When people feel their freedom is restricted, they instinctively pull away, even from what they care about. So when you allowed space, when silence didn't make you panic, when you didn't demand proof of love every hour, you gave him something rare, trust. Trust whispers, I believe in you enough to let you breathe. This doesn't mean vanishing. It means balance. Loving without losing yourself, giving without clinging. When you live this way, you become unforgettable. Because every man knows the difference between a woman who needs him like oxygen and a woman who chooses him like a treasure. Real life scene number 2. He's out with friends. His phone lights up. Not 20 missed calls. Not long messages demanding explanations. Just one simple text. Hope you're having fun. I'm reading that book we talked about. Light, calm, confident. That kind of energy stays with him because it says, I care, but my world doesn't collapse without you. And when you leave carrying that same energy, that's when the ache starts. 3. He misses you when you shined without him. Here's a truth many avoid. A man does not miss what depended on him. He misses what glowed without him. Psychology calls this self-sufficiency. The ability to find joy within yourself. When you laughed without waiting for his messages, when you chased dreams bigger than us. When your happiness wasn't something he controlled, you became magnetic. Real attraction is never built on need. It's built on value. And value shines brightest when it doesn't beg to be seen. If you lived fully while loving him, traveled, learned, grew, laughed, you left an image in his mind. She wasn't just my happiness. She had her own. And I took that for granted. That realization burns. It lingers. Real life scene number 3. Months later, he sees your photo. Not with another man. Not showing off. Just glowing. Maybe you're hiking, learning something new, laughing with friends. And suddenly he feels small. Because joy that doesn't need him is powerful. And nothing haunts a man more than knowing he lost a woman who could have everything without him. 4. He misses you when you left behind a sense of rarity. Now we reach the deepest truth. Mystery. People don't miss what's fully consumed. They miss what feels unfinished. Psychology explains this with the Zeigarnik effect. The mind obsesses over incomplete stories. When you leave with dignity, without chaos, without dumping all your pain at his feet, you leave something open in his mind. Not so you return, but so he wonders. What if? What did I lose? Will I ever find that again? That wondering is the root of missing you. Closure shuts doors. Mystery keeps the heart restless. So don't overshare your soul just to be understood. Leave some pages unwritten, some things unspoken, not as a tactic, but as truth. You are a universe, not a checklist. Real life scene number 4. Months later, he sends a message. Hey, just checking in. Why? Because curiosity speaks louder than silence. Because rare women are never forgotten. So why do these 4 truths matter? Because missing you isn't about disappearing, it's about contrast. The difference between who you were and what life offers him now. You were peace in his chaos, freedom in his cage, joy in his emptiness, mystery in his certainty. That's what keeps him awake at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling, saying your name in silence. Final words. If you're listening and thinking, how do I make him miss me? Stop. That's the wrong question. Ask this instead. How do I become so whole, so radiant, so rare that even I would miss myself if I were gone? Because when you live like that, when you stop chasing and start evolving, you won't need to wonder if he misses you. He will. And even if he doesn't, it won't matter. You'll be too busy living the life you once hoped someone else would give you. And that is real power. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment and share if you want to keep these videos coming.